Okay, so you're finally here. Here is the main page that you run your store from. Here, you have your dashboard. This shows you an overview of your business and what you have been up to. Over here, you have your monthly sales. And here, you can also see the number of products that you have sold. The next part is products. On this page is where you can add new products or edit existing products pretty easily. On your orders page, just here, you can view orders and other status. For instance, this is a failed order and this is an order that is currently in process. The next part is coupons. Here, you'll be able to create and manage coupons. So for instance, if you sell macaroons and you want to give discounts to your customers, this is where you can create those vouchers that the customers can then apply to the product at checkout. And then you have reports. This part really provides you with an analysis of your product and performance. It is quite similar to what you saw on the dashboard a few moments ago, with a little more into the numbers. You can see what's selling best and your best earners, and also you can retrieve your statements from here. Reviews. This is where your product reviews are shown. If a customer purchases a cupcake from you, for instance, and they leave you a review, you will see those product reviews just here. Withdrawal. This is where you can view and manage your withdrawals. Once you've made a sale, so let's say you sell a box of cupcakes, you'll be able to withdraw your funds, which we will then send directly to your account. It is also here that you can set up how you want to get paid for your bakeries. Return request. This is where you can manage refund requests from customers. So, for instance, if a customer buys macaroons from your store and the macaroons arrive with defects, you may decide to give a refund to that customer. This is where you will be able to process such refunds. Analytics. Here, you see general statistics for your store. It really helps you to see how your store is stacking up and how your promotions are doing. So you see the promotions bit here. You can check out activities and a few other items from this page. This would usually include some analysis and many more useful data for your store. Announcements. This allows us to communicate with you and all of our lovely bakers so that you are up to date on new functionalities and anything else that will help you maximize your experience on bakedesires.com. Tools. This really allows you to export or import your product along with its details. It saves you a lot of time when trying to add new products, particularly when adding products in bulk. And then we move on to your inbox. Your inbox is where you can manage chats and conversations with customers regarding your products or store. Following on this is support. This is where we provide you with support and resolve all of your inquiries on bakedesires.com. When you click on settings, you'll be taken to a completely new page, and on that page is where you'll be able to manage your store settings, including your storefront. You can change your storefront image and even your store name on that page. You can also then configure your store address or your contact preferences. There are many things you can do on your settings page, so you should totally explore it. And if you click on this fun looking button just here, This is where you'll be able to preview and visit your store page. It shows you exactly what your customers will see when they click to enter your store. And here is where you can edit your account details. And lastly, you have this switch looking button to log out of your account. So this is the full details of your dashboard. If you have any additional questions whatsoever on this or anything else regarding how bakedesires.com work, do feel free to select Contact Us just here at the top of this page, and we'll be very happy to assist you.